Students, today what we are going to do is we finished with the Newland's octave law, octave of music, what are the demerits and all. We will start with Mendeleev's periodic table. I will give you some very important point regarding Mendeleev's periodic table, its plus points and its negative points. Okay. माझा व्हिडिओ झाल्यानंतर तुमचे टेक्स्टबुक्स असतील तर प्लीज त्या मेंडलीव्स मेरिट्स आणि डिमेरिट्स त्या पार्टकडे व्ही इम्पॉर्टंट घाला बिकॉज दॅट पार्ट इज व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फ्रॉम एक्झामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आय विल रिपीट मेंडलीव्स मेरिट्स अँड डिमेरिट्स. You please mark them as important in your textbook with the help of pencil such that you can learn them by heart as it is given. Okay, let's start here. Mendeleev, Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian scientist. Okay, he was a Russian who proposed his periodic table and periodic law from the year 1866 to 1872. In this era, he discovered his Mendeleev's periodic table. Until Mendeleev, 63 elements were discovered. Next, he used the most fundamental property, that is atomic mass, that is sum of the masses of protons and neutrons. He used the fundamental property, that is atomic mass, to classify or to group the elements. Students, atomic mass was used as the most fundamental property to arrange these 63 out of 63 elements. Point number 2. Point number 3. Students, not only that, he considered their physical properties while arranging the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses by considering their physical properties such as melting point, boiling point, solid gets converted into liquid, liquid into gas, density. These were the factors or the physical properties considered. Similarly, the chemical properties considered were the compounds formed by all these 63 elements with hydrogen, that is respective hydrides, means the compound of the 63 elements with hydrogen and oxides, the compounds of the elements formed with oxygen. See, he used these criteria to classify the elements and arrange them in the increasing order of their atomic masses. Okay, I'll repeat again. The Dmitry Mendeleev used the most fundamental property, that was atomic mass. Until Dmitry Mendeleev, 63 elements were discovered. All these 63 elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass. Not only that, he considered, while arranging the elements, he also considered their physical properties as well as chemical properties. Among the physical properties, he considered melting point, boiling point and density. Among the chemical properties, he considered the formation of these compounds, formation of these elements with formation of compounds of these elements in the form of hydrides and oxides. Okay, he used this criteria and he arranged all the 63 elements into vertical columns which were called groups and horizontal rows which were called periods. He arranged all the 63 elements into vertical columns which were called groups and horizontal rows which were called periods. And students, he said that as the atomic mass of the elements keeps on increasing, the properties, the physical and the chemical properties of the elements repeat. This is the Mendeleev's periodic law, which states that the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic mass. Meaning, as the atomic mass increases, the physical as well as the chemical properties go on repeating. That is referred to as the Mendeleev's periodic table. Not only that, he arranged the elements into vertical columns which was called as groups and horizontal rows which were called as periods. Okay, and you know, if you look into Mendeleev's periodic table, Mendeleev's era मध्ये elements were written R2O like this. The elements were written like this, R2O3. Mendeleev ची लिहिण्याची पद्धत of compounds. You know, they were the compounds, the number of atoms were written as superscript. Today we don't use this methodology. We use this methodology, that is R2O and R2O3 respectively. Use this methodology, students. We don't use this methodology. That is Mendeleev's periodic table. By heart it properly. Yeah? Until Mendeleev, 63 elements were known. He used the most fundamental property, that is the atomic mass, to classify the elements. He arranged all the 63 elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses. While arranging the elements, he also considered their physical and chemical properties. The physical properties were MP, BP, density. The chemical properties were hydrides of the elements, that means the compounds of the elements with hydrogen and oxygen. He arranged all the 63 elements in vertical columns, which were called groups, and horizontal rows, which were called periods. And he observed that, students, the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses, meaning as the atomic mass increases, the properties go on repeating. Students, if you observe the Mendeleev's periodic table, the compounds of the elements, that is oxides of the element compounds, are written in this form. Actually, this is not the way. Today we write them like this. हे superscript म्हणतात त्याला, ह्याला सबस्क्रिप्टच्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहितो आपण. That's it. हे Mendeleev's periodic tables the information. Next is very important part of the topic, that is what are the merits. We are going to discuss the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. What are the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table? They are, first one, you know, science always invites change. Science is never fixed. Okay. Similarly, Mendeleev, though he had proposed his periodic table consisting of 63 elements, he knew that this table will not remain fixed, and in course of time, as the time proceeds, it will change. Therefore, some merits. Look into Mendeleev's डोकं बघा. What did he do? First of all, you know, when you were arranging the elements, the atomic mass of some elements were revised. Revised म्हणजे repair केले, change केले, correct केले गेले. Atomic mass of some elements were revised. Like for example, atomic mass of beryllium, ह्या सिम्बॉलचं नाव काय? Beryllium was revised from 14.09 to 9.01. So atomic mass, first merit त्याचा काय होता? Atomic masses of some elements were revised. For example, atomic mass was beryllium was corrected from 14.09 to 9.1. 9.1 was the correction of the atomic mass of beryllium made. Point number 1. And beryllium was placed before boron. Beryllium in the periodic table, in the Mendeleev's periodic table, beryllium was placed before boron. Point number 1. First merit. Second merit, he left some vacant spaces for elements which were yet to be discovered. कळतं? He left some vacant space, 3 vacant spaces त्याने आपल्या periodic table मध्ये ठेवले for the elements which were not discovered by him, which were अजून त्यांची डिस्कवरी व्हायची होती. They were एका बोरॉन, एका aluminium, एका silicon with atomic masses 44, 68, 72 हे असे रिकामी बॉक्सेस ठेवले. आणि तो म्हणाला की हे बॉक्सेस जे आहेत, these vacant spaces are for such elements which are like boron, म्हणजे whose properties are similar to boron. Like एका म्हणजे like, similar to aluminium, similar to silicon. And today we know them as, if you compare their atomic masses, we know them as scandium, gallium, germanium. Okay. Since vacant spaces were completely filled after with these elements with atomic masses, scandium, gallium, germanium with respective atomic masses, Mendeleev's periodic table became, people started accepting the table more and more. They started saying that this is a very, very firm information about the classification of elements. हे त्याचा second point होता. Third point काय झालं माहिती आहे? Students, what happened was, the third point regarding Mendeleev's periodic table was noble gases were not discovered in Mendeleev's era. But later on काय झालं, noble gases, last group मधले elements, noble gases such as helium, neon, argon were discovered. मग people started asking him की ह्यांचं काय, helium, neon, argon ला कुठं जागा आहे. What did he do? Mendeleev prepared a separate group without disturbing the position of other elements. What did he do? He prepared a separate group without disturbing the position of other element. And this group where these elements, these noble gases were placed, was called as zero group. हे त्याचे प्लस पॉइंट्स. मुलांनो व्हेरी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट एक्झामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यूने काही करून हे एक्झामला करायचं. रिवाइज इट अगेन ओनली फॉर 2 marks. Only for 2 marks. Okay. First, what is the first merit? Atomic mass of some elements were revised. For example, atomic mass of beryllium was revised from 14.9 to 9.01 and beryllium was placed before boron. Next, as science always invites change, in his periodic table of 63 elements which are assembled in the form of groups and periods, he left 3 vacant spaces, and these vacant spaces were assigned with atomic mass 44, 68, 72. These vacant spaces were for elements like boron, एका म्हणजे सेम, बोरॉन सारखा किंवा ॲल्युमिनियम सारखा किंवा सिलिकॉन सारखा. and today we know them as scandium, gallium, germanium. That is how he did. Students, he was a Russian. त्याला इंग्लिश का थोडं नव्हतं. That is the thing. Noble gases were discovered in that era. Students, मेंडलीफ पर्यंत ते प्रॉब्लेम नव्हतं. Noble gases were discovered. How? The question came as to noble gases only. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon हे सगळे थोडेसे रेडिओ आहेत. Helium, neon, argon. People started asking him where to place these elements. What did he do? He prepared a separate group to place these elements without disturbing the position of these 63 elements. Merits. Very very important part. Clear? Great. Okay. Baga, is it fine? Yes. Now we will discuss into the demerits part. Concentrate. Demerits baga. Students, please ensure that you are reading the textbook. Textbookच्या पलीकडे काही येत नाही. Directly you can learn the answers. Demerits. काय झालं? Problems काय आले? Naturally, though it was well accepted all over the world, some demerits also arised. Students, elements such as cobalt and nickel had similar atomic masses. The atomic masses of elements of cobalt and nickel was same, almost same. So there was a confusion, त्याला ambiguity म्हणतात. So there was a confusion where to place, whether to place cobalt before nickel or nickel before cobalt. One, I'll repeat, the atomic masses of cobalt and nickel were same. So there was an ambiguity, means confusion, कि whether to place cobalt before or nickel before in the periodic table. First. Second is that isotopes were discovered much after several years after Mendeleev. Isotopes were discovered. What are isotopes? Same atomic number but different mass number. They are called as isotopes. Isotopes were discovered much after the discovery made by Mendeleev. Students, there was a confusion where to place isotopes. Why? Because isotopes had different atomic masses but they had similar chemical properties. मग असं कसं काय की isotopes chemical properties similar, means they should be placed together. Isotope had different atomic masses, means they should be placed in a separate way. There was a confusion regarding that. Third, students, hydrogen. So काय? Hydrogen shows a lot of resemblance with halogens. Halogens is chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Hydrogen shows a lot of resemblance with halogens. because we write halogens as Cl2, Br2, like that. Even hydrogen we write H2 and all that. Similarly, hydrogen showed resemblance even with alkali metals like sodium chloride. Alkali metal formed salts with chlorine. Hydrogen chloride. Okay, आलं लक्षात. सोडियम ऑक्साइड Na2O तसंच H2O. So there was a confusion where to place hydrogen, whether to place it along with halogens, that is on the extreme right, or with alkali metals, that is on the extreme left. हे 3 demerits, हे पण 2 मार्काला एक्झामला येतं. I'll revise it again. The atomic masses of some elements were found to be similar, like cobalt and nickel. They had these elements were such that their atomic masses were similar. Therefore, there was an ambiguity or a confusion where to place them. Also, students, when the 63 elements were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic mass, काय झालं माहिती का, there was no uniformity observed. की बाबा 2 हेवी एलिमेंट्स मध्ये किती लाईक समजा 2 हेवी एलिमेंट्स आय एम कन्सिडरिंग, त्याच्यात किती एलिमेंट्स ठेवायचे ह्याचं कन्फ्युजन होतं. बिकॉज द युनिफॉर्मिटी वॉज नॉट, देर वॉज नो युनिफॉर्मिटी. सी, द इंक्रीज इन द atomic mass was not that uniform. First, isotopes. What are isotopes? The atoms of elements with same atomic number but different mass number. There was a confusion where to place isotopes, whether to place them along with same atomic number but different mass number. Where to play isotopes चं कसं होतं की त्यांचा atomic mass was different, so isotopes should be placed different, but they showed similar chemical properties. Then whether to place isotopes together or separate, ते confusion होतं, कारण chemical properties त्यांचे सगळ्यांचे same but atomic mass was different. Second part. Third, a huge confusion regarding the placement of hydrogen, whether to place it with halogen because hydrogens formed molecules like halogens, or whether to place it with alkali metals because hydrogen forms similar compound with oxygen and halogens as alkali metals like NaCl, Na2O, HCl, H2O. हे मग नेमकं असं की हायड्रोजनला हॅलोजन्स बरोबर ठेवायचं का अल्कली मेटल्सवर ठेवायचं, द ड्रॉबॅक. अँड देअरफॉर मेंडलीव्स पिरियॉडिक टेबल वॉज डिस्कार्डेड मुलांना. म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी करेक्शन होते पण फॉल्ट्स पण होते. दॅट्स इट. क्लिअर? येस येस. सो गो थ्रू दिस, यू रीड द टेक्स्टबुक प्रॉपरली. फक्त त्याच्यात UBP अजून यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवरचे क्वेश्चन्स आहेत, ते मी नुसतं लॉकडाऊन संपलं की तरच उघडणार. ओके.